Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to my channel Halima's Inspiration. Today, I will be showing you 3 glamorous mirror glass decors. The first one is this beautiful mirror tray, and the second and third decors are very similar. Gorgeous mirror vase and a candle with glitter and confetti diamonds. The supplies I need for this DIY are a mirror. The size can be different. I purchased this mirror from the 99-cent store and I took the frame out. A board that I cut to be the same size as the mirror. Gray paint or silver paint. 4 square boards or one board smaller than the mirror board. Mirror mosaic tiles that I bought from Amazon, and this has like about 100 pieces, so it was enough for me for this DIY. A strong glue like E6000 or Gorilla Glue along with hot glue. I started by painting the edges of the board just in case if there was a gap, it will cover the wood. After that, I flip the wood and stick the small 4 pieces of the wood in the center at the bottom using industrial E6000 glue. If you decide to use one whole piece instead of 4 pieces, make sure it's smaller than the wood and it should be placed in the center. Otherwise, if you don't want to use wood at all, you can use cardboard or you can use foam board, but it just has to be strong enough. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. After I put some glue on the board so I can stick the mirror on top of it. I continued by placing 2 pieces of mosaic by creating an up and down pattern. I first used hot glue and E6000 but decided to only go with E6000 because hot glue made the glass uneven. I placed the first piece flush to the working surface. Second one was raised about half an inch to create an up and down pattern. I marked the inside of the second piece of mosaic glass to use it as a guide, but I didn't stick it yet. Then I flipped the scotch tape with sticky side facing outward and secured the edges with scotch tape. I started putting the mosaic glass using the baseline of the scotch tape as my guide. Then I measured the marked mosaic glass and made few marks with the same measurements to draw a straight line. I used the line that I drew as my guide to stick the second mosaic where the line has to be flush to the mirror. Then I repeated the same process in alternative pattern. It means one will go up and one will be down. To make sure the work goes faster and easier, I put glue on many pieces, then stack them. I kept repeating the same process until all done. Then I wiped any excess glue using a wet tissue. As for the second decor, I used this rectangle mirror that I purchased from Amazon.com. They normally come in 3 or 1 per pack. So I bought a pack of 3 and a pack of 1 to have 4 sides. I also needed hot glue and E6000 that I forgot to show here, silver confetti crystal, very fine silver glitter, Mod Podge, a scotch tape, and a brush. I start by aligning the rectangle mirror to create a box and secure them with scotch tape. Then I made sure all the corners are equal and at 90-degree angles. Then I started sticking them from inside using hot glue. And again, just before putting the glue, I made sure it has 90-degree angle. I stuck the last piece using hot glue and decided to add a stronger glue. Here I added E6000 to all the corners and let it sit for 24 hours. I used a foam brush to apply the Mod Podge to the center of the vase, creating this zigzag shape. Then added the glitter and repeated the same process for all 4 sides. Most supplies I used in this video were purchased from Amazon website, so I will leave all the links in the description box. After the glitter fully dried, I added more Mod Podge and sprinkled the confetti crystals. And when it fully dried, I brushed off any excess glitter. As for the third decor, it's very similar to the vase with glitter and confetti crystals. I just had this candle jar, so I painted it black and let it dry. I did about 3 coats just to cover any white on the glass. I let it sit for about 2 hours, and after it fully dry, I put Mod Podge and glitter and let it dry, then add a second coat of Mod Podge and confetti crystals. It's the same process with the glass vase. To give it a clean look, I wiped any excess glitter using a wet towel or a wet tissue. These glamorous decors are perfect for a coffee table, a bathroom vanity, or a bedroom makeup vanity. But I wanted to use them specifically for my coffee table. But because I have a 2-year-old kid at home and I thought of having a decor with glass isn't really a good idea. So I decided to change the decor to a higher place. I wanted just to show you how it looks on the coffee table. It's really nice. I really love the results of these glamorous DIY decors. But I couldn't leave them on my coffee table, so I moved them to a higher place on my wall unit. I hope you liked the ideas of today and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in another video with different ideas.